Welcome to Laurel Ridge Community College. To help you prepare for this exciting adventure to come, we're going to show you a few great places around our campuses so you can get familiar before your first day of classes. We'll start at our original campus in Middletown and then show you some great places on our Fauquier campus next. We'll also introduce you to the Luray Page County Center. Clearly, we have lots of places to see, so let's get started. We'll start our tour at the Middletown Campus Welcome Center. This is where our friendly staff can answer questions or assist you with finding your class. Not sure where to go or who to ask? Just stop by the Welcome Center, located in Cornerstone Hall.
I'm here in the Middletown Campus Science and Health Professions building. The 46,870 square foot, two-story building includes multiple science and health professions labs, 4 lecture halls, 2 lecture rooms, and student lounges. It has been open for student use since 2008. You may take some of your health classes and labs here.
Welcome to the Middletown Campus Student Union. Did you know that this is here because our Student Government Association voted to use student fees to cover the cost? This building was created for the students, by the students. How cool is that? Inside the Student Union, you can get a workout in at the Evan Humbert Fitness Center, get involved with student life and engagement, and buy Laurel Ridge gear at the bookstore. We even have classroom spaces here too. At the MC Student Union, we got it all.
Over on our Luray Page County Center, you'll find Jenkins Hall, our one-stop shop. Here you'll find plenty of classrooms, a conference room, a computer lab, a trades lab, and a science lab. Jenkins Hall first opened in September 2021, so you can expect modern spaces and state-of-the-art technology. Our next stop is on the Fauquier campus. Right now I'm standing in the barn, which is this campus's first building. It's a real barn that we converted into a classroom space, but that's not its only purpose. We also house meetings, events, student life activities, and health and wellness sessions here. Despite its humble beginnings, you'll find state-of-the-art technology in this space too. No matter the day, there's always something going on at the barn. Here we are at Wolk Hall, also known as the hub of the Fauquier campus. We have many student services here, including enrollment services, advising, veteran support, tutoring, a food pantry, and so much more. Along with campus resources, Wolk Hall also offers classroom space and even a library with study rooms. If you need a break from your studies, we host trivia days here and even have designated snack stations, so you will never leave hungry.
Welcome to Hazel Hall, a 40,000 square foot building at the Fauquier campus dedicated to advancing science, health professions, and engineering education. Supported by a $1 million gift from the Hazel family and contributions from the Path Foundation, this state-of-the-art facility includes specialized labs, a makerspace, and the Barkman Family Conference Center for community events. The building's innovative space allows for expanding programs in high-demand fields, benefiting both students and local communities. We are here at the Skilled Trades Center at Laurel Ridge, a specialized facility offering hands-on training in high-demand fields like welding, electrical, HVAC, plumbing, and heavy equipment operator. Equipped with modern tools and technology, the center prepares students for immediate entry into the workforce, addressing the critical need for skilled tradespeople in the region's growing infrastructure projects.
Thank you for joining us on a virtual tour of Laurel Ridge Community College. Whether you're just starting your educational journey or reigniting your career, we have dynamic programs and exceptional student support. We're excited to help you take the next step on your journey. We look forward to seeing you, and we welcome you to our vibrant community. Come grow with us.